Hi children, it's very nice to meet you all. I'm Miss Resti. Do you remember Coco and Lala? Here they are. Today, we're going to play with something on the farm. Do you want to join us? Let's go! Thank you for joining us. Look, what do I have here? You guessed it right. It's horses. Coco, do you like horses?
I love it!
So do I. I love horses because they run fast. We can ride on it too. Awesome!
Nice! What about that? Cows? I love cows.
So do I. They give us milk.
I don't.
Great! Let's find another one. What about ducks? Do you love ducks?
I love ducks.
So do I.
I don't. They are noisy.
What about you guys? Which one do you like? Horses, ducks, or cows? Oh, you love ducks? Oh, you love cows? And okay, you love horses. So do I. I love farm animals. All right, you are doing great today. Thank you for joining us. See you again in another video. Bye.